farm model. He's picking cotton. It takes a lot of time to get that together. Got a little creek. Waterfall. Semis. Shop. Cat apartment. Very nice model. Really nice model. Rock City. Picking corn. Look at that. Even got the wife's favorite vehicle, UPS. That and Amazon. We are here. No, not that one. Could we be? Could we have the emphasis? The mystery, the 75.3 that no one can buy. With the high flow, yes. It is actually the track steer that you cannot find anywhere. Look at that. Oh, yes. Months and months of searching and no one can find one at a dealership to buy. But they can have it here at the show. We are at TYM. TYM booth. The Yanmar engine. We have 2, 4, 3 sets. The remotes. This is the new one. I get through the 115, 115 horse. 474. That looks familiar. That's mine. The 574, which is what's going to be next. I think we've got the 1130 up here. This is the newest model of the TYM. Getting into the agricultural. The 130. 130 horse. Look at the size of that bucket. Look at the stance. Wow, that's wide. Got the LED lights up on top. Big rear wheel. Rear remotes. 2, 3, 4. here at the Mahindra booth. It's not a tractor, but it'll do. These little things are starting to get popular again. They got popular for a little bit and they kind of faded out. And now the little mini trucks are coming back again. Rocks Ore. Now the Jeep version. The one with the cab and doors. Mahindra tractors. We are at the Bethco booth. Batwing finish mower. About what I need for mowing 8 acres. That is nice. That is nice. Alright, look at the drones here. Apple Farm Service Incorporated. Sprayers. It's on the same as what Microsoft does. That is constant. You don't find these at Best Buy. Okay, guys, that's today at the Farm Machinery Show 2024, Louisville, Kentucky. That is it for the day. We are heading out, going home. Seen a lot of stuff, a lot of things I'd like to have, but didn't get. So, guys, have a good one. We'll see you on the next one. Be safe, be good. See ya.